Hey guys, you're watching an episode of Blacklist Builds. In today's episode, I'm going to show you the perfect test piped B8.5 setup. So we're underneath the car. That is the transmission. These two are stock downpipe pieces with a Magnaflow Resonated X-Pipe replacing the resonators of the stock downpipe. So installing test pipes on this platform with this engine creates a lot of rasp and drone, and it's undrivable.
You're good, Uncle.
That being said, I had to find some sort of solution. I couldn't even start my car up in the morning because the cold starts were way too loud. This Magnaflow resonator was recommended, so I took a leap of faith and I installed it, replacing again these stock resonators from the downpipes only and not the catback. The AWE Touring catback is all intact. Back here, you can see the cuts and the mending or the filling of the exhaust to make everything work. The difficulty with this piece, I went to several shops and I got several incredibly expensive quotes for this work because the distance of the nipple of this muffler, it is farther away from center line than it is from this catback. So that creates a lot of issues in terms of trying to fabricate something to make everything line up. But shout out to Kyle at Paul's Garage for giving me a great price on the work. He was able to make everything work with what he had, so shout out to him. He gave me an incredible deal on the installation. If you guys ever need custom exhaust work, go to Paul's Garage in Scotch Plains. Tell him that Patrick sent you. I'll show you guys the front as well. So this is the front connection of the stock downpipes coming from the test pipes to the X-Pipe Magnaflow resonator. This has eliminated all of the drone and rasp that I had prior to this installation. Keep in mind too, this has cut out all of the low end rasp and all of the low end sound. I can actually cold start this car in the morning and it is absolutely wonderful. So I got this idea of the Magnaflow resonator from the AudiZine forum. So there are guys out there that are running this resonated X-Pipe with test pipes. So initially everything works out, everything's quiet down. However, some folks have told me that the insulation inside this resonator comes out. If it lasts for a very long time, I'll be very surprised and happy. However, if it does not, I do have another option that I'm thinking about replacing this with. Shout out to Eli from Ignition Tube. Go subscribe to his wonderful channel down below. He gave me some ideas using some vibrant, ultra quiet resonators in place of the stock resonators of the downpipe instead of using this resonated X-Pipe. But Most likely what I'm going to do is I'll probably use some high flow cats and install them in the stock downpipe location. We do have some options, and we do still have some testing as to what we can do to improve this platform. That being said, if you guys have any suggestions, or if you do enjoy the exhaust tone, please leave a comment down below. So I actually have one last announcement, and that is I've partnered up with ECS Tuning. So my friends at ECS Tuning are going to send some things over for me to create install videos and help you guys install parts onto your own cars. So I'm very happy that ECS has teamed up with me. I'm really excited to create a lot of content for you guys and help you guys with your own builds as well. I really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so stay tuned for that dyno run, and I will see you guys on the next episode.